Despite I emit the heat by myself, but it's shitting cold. I'm here in the mountain for today, and it's still such an early morning. I'm waiting for the sunrise signs coming. I think it's 1 hour to it's coming. Wait for the sun. It's getting cold. Wow. And for today, I'm going to get at the mountain pass for 100 kilometers or so. It's gonna be a long trip for my ride, the longest ride for my ride ever. I plan. Let's go! It's awfully dark, and I feel like it's so scared in the mountain in such a dark night. And it's still cold. I needed to warm the tires up. I feel it's sleepy still now. Wow! Insanely dark! Wow! Middle way. I needed to go on the middle way. And the tires are still cold. I can feel that. What the hell? There's a bicycle. There's a bicycle man. Wow. Hi. Good luck. You are my friend. Okay, great. The corner is getting steep. Okay, it's rest time. I need to take a rest for a while. The sky is getting the red color gradually. Such a beautiful red color. What a beautiful scenery out here. The bridge in the mountain. The bridge in the mountain, snowy. Mountain attacking friend. It's there. It's just a castle. It's just a castle. Wow, beautiful skies there. Here is a beautiful lake on the left of us, but I can't see it. I can see that yet. Wow, Kisha. The beautiful coming here. Beautiful scenery is coming here. Wow. It's so great. Can you see the beautiful mountains, shadows over there. It's great. It's just great. And I can feel such heat temperatures by the sun gradually. We got the mountains view. We got the mountains view. But I'm planning to going over the mountain. We can see now for today. It's gonna be so long trip, as I told you at the start of this video. Okay, now we got the final village to the mountain pass, and we are getting into the great save corners. Let's go. And the scenery is already totally good, bright scenery, but it's kind of cloudy day, so I can't see the sunrise yet. Mountain shape, but wow, look at monkey!